While maternity and child health services have somewhat resumed back to normal, the COVID-19 season has had adverse effects on surgical services, which according to the Ministry of Health have seen a major decline this year compared to the same period last year.
We note that there's been a decline. 5 months ago, NHIF would run about 44,528 surgeries and ensure the providers are compensated. However, during the pandemic, there's been a drop of almost 10,000 cases, coming to around 32,717. And that indeed is a cause of concern.
Health CAS Mercy Mwangangi assuring Kenyans who need to access surgical services that first, no COVID-19 test is required before surgery unless
an elective surgery case, the patient may be required to undertake a preoperative COVID-19 test. However, for emergency surgical cases, as would happen in the case of road traffic accidents, as would happen in the case of complicated deliveries where a mother needs to have a cesarean section, it is expected that care would be provided without a COVID-19 test.
And second, the theatre facilities have guidelines that have placed protocols to be followed by both the patient and the provider.
And ensuring that the patients adhere to government protocols, particularly the appropriate use of face masks, and ensuring that where face masks are not available, the facility should provide them or the patient should come in with a mask. The mask should be worn appropriately, particularly during clinical interaction with the doctors, and ensuring that even this interaction puts in place physical distancing measures.
However, Mwangangi says there is the option of telemedicine, which would also reduce the number of attendees who visit facilities, minimizing risks of contracting the virus.
Your precautions, put on your mask, N95 mask, and also the patient. The abnormal thing here is, I'm a surgeon myself, and all I know is initially, or before COVID, we never used to advise to have patients wearing masks. But today, our patients are also wearing masks, just as the surgeons. So the surgeon wears an N95 mask, or the patient wears a surgical mask.
Meanwhile, 7 more people have lost their lives to COVID-19 over the last 24 hours, bringing the total deaths to 472. 515 people tested positive, with the confirmed numbers now standing at 29,849. Another 672 recoveries were recorded, bringing the total to 15,970. Diana Rachel Mbogwa, Ibru TV.